Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Andrew in my office here. I actually have a fun video for you today. Something just came in the mail. I'm gonna switch you guys up on a tripod and we're gonna do something pretty cool today. Sorry, no repair, but I would stay tuned because this is a pretty cool video. Hey, while you're here, hit that subscribe button for me. Also, smash like on this video if you want. And to this product, a link in the description will be there. So thank you all for who helped me get this done. You'll see what I mean here in a second. But until then, fellas, we're gonna roll that intro and get right into the fun. Okay guys, check this out. These are magnet sheets. You're supposed to put them in the printer and print them off, but I have another idea for them. Let me get my handy dandy opener here. You guys are going to like this. Link in the description below for this. Pretty cool. I saw this and I said, you know what, this is going to be a good idea. So what these are is just sheets for magnets. And they come with a nice pair of cutting scissors. I believe that's what they are. Yeah, look at that. And they fold closed. That's pretty cool. So, right there. Pretty cool. Now I'm wondering, I might have to go and see which side sticks. I'm pretty sure it's that side. Now it has a peel. I'm gonna go test them just to make sure so I can clarify with you guys. Okay, just double checking. So the black side is the magnetic side, you know, and I guess you can normally on some of them you could peel, but these ones are non-peel for one reason. I'm gonna take all your guys' YouTube stickers, make sure you guys are seeing this, and we're gonna put them on these sheets and I'm gonna cut them off and turn them into fridge magnets. So we're going to start out with one of my newer stickers here from Tinker & Tailor. Come up here to show you that. Now bear with me, I'm going to peel every one of these off and put them on this paper nice and pretty. And at the end we'll cut them out and I'll show you them all in the fridge. So there's Tinker & Tailor. And now another one of my newer stickers. Rich at Mowers and Blowers Outdone. Psh. We got Rich here. His sticker's really cool. It opens up on the two sides. His might be a little hard to cut out, not being around. But we'll find out how good these scissors are here at cutting this product. Now this product's not paying me, I just found it on Amazon and I figured I'd try it. So Tinker & Tailor gave me an extra one, I'll put that aside. Now we got KB Small Engine Repair, thank you Kyle. We'll put yours up here now. And when you guys are putting these on, it doesn't matter if you put them upside down or left or right or whatever, because you can cut them out and then you can rotate them however you want. You can also put these on your toolboxes, on your air compressor, anything that's metal, which in our shops, you know everything is metal. I'm going to put the trash right there by my knife. Next up, we got the Doctor. I don't see him post. He has an Instagram. You can check him out. That's his Instagram name and his company name. He's in a lot of live streams with us. I'm going to do your round sticker, so I'm going to put your oval sticker in my extras there. And I'll find out something to do with the extra stickers. But this way, I'm preserving your guys' stickers where I can move them wherever I want. If I get a background or something, or, you know, if I get a new toolbox, I don't have to, you know, buy a brand new toolbox or get all your stickers again. So there's Now, Lawnmower Detective has 3 different ones. I'm going to keep his non-holographic as a spare. And I'm going to do both his... You know what? Actually, I'm going to keep this one as a spare too. I'm just going to do your holographic as a magnet. There's the Lawnmower Detective. Dave, he's a good dude. Definitely. And you know what? In the description of this video, I'm going to link all your channels. I'm going to link all your channels, everybody who sent me stickers. Man, even the back of that sticker is holographic. Real pretty. But this way, I feel like I can preserve all your stickers here. So now we got Chris X Outdoors. He gave me an extra one, so I'll have that as an extra. Bam. Check him out on Instagram and YouTube. He makes really good videos. Thank you, Chris, again. Oh, here's a KB small engine extra. So anyone who sends me stickers, I'll send you guys stickers back. I just started getting your guys' stickers, so I don't have too many of your guys' stickers. Matter of fact, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. We're going to do the sticker meal guy. We're going to see if we can't find a space for him in between. Look at that. He'll fit right there. So we'll do the sticker meal guy. That way we don't waste the sheet. So yeah, if you guys want to send me stickers, I'll make them a magnet, do a shout out for you. And I'll send you guys one back. I might have already sent you one. I'm probably just waiting on some. So there's the sheet, guys, right there. So now we're going to cut this out and see how good these scissors do. So I think we'll start up here at the top, making sure all these are on. Yeah, I think that's all my stickers. Thought I had more than that, but I guess not. I know some people are sending me out some. I know Matt's sending me some. Oh, these scissors are really good at cutting this. It's like butter. Bear with me, guys. I'm not the best at arts and crafts here. There you go, guys. Now I'll take you all, show you where I'm going to put all these. There you guys go. There's the fridge. I could also put these on my toolbox or my air compressor. But for now, the fridge is now my sticker wall. That way my family can see you guys too. Thank you all. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was real fun to do that. So for now on, I got like 5 more sheets that came with that packet. So for now on, every sticker I get is going on a magnet. Link to that below. Link to all those YouTubers that send me those stickers down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Until next time, guys.